In our previous session, we have completed the problem number 6.1. So if you not saw the video, go and see the video. So now we will see the problem 6.2. NCERT questions are very important. Competitive and view part both are based on NCERT only. So if you want to crack the competitive examination, first you have to clear the NCERT books. In chemistry, it is important. So problem number 6.2, page number 160, thermodynamics chemistry part we are going to see. So let us go into the question. 2 liters of an ideal gas given 2 liter of an ideal gas at a pressure of 10 atm isothermally into a vacuum expands isothermally. So try to understand the question. So here pressure is given 10 atm and also they are given isothermally, expands isothermally where temperature is constant into a vacuum. So you have to remember this vacuum. Whenever you get the word vacuum, external pressure is equal to 0. In vacuum there is no presence of pressure, so external vacuum is pressure is 0 in vacuum. So whenever you get the word vacuum, you should take 0 until its total volume is 10 liter. So this is V2, V1. How much heat is absorbed and how much work is done in expansion? First they asked how much heat is absorbed and how much work is done. So we have to find Q and W. These two we have to find. So first we have to check the relation between this and this. We know that delta U, first we have to find the Q now. You take this formula, delta U V plus W. So we have to take this formula. Here there is the no given of delta U, means but they have given isothermally where temperature is constant. Isothermally means temperature is constant. So this depends on temperature. Internal energy depends on temperature. As temperature increases, internal energy increases, but temperature is constant. So change in internal energy U2 minus U1 is equal to 0. Change in internal energy is 0. Therefore Q plus W. So bring this Q this side, minus W. This is the relation between Q. This means that how much heat is supplied, that much of work is also done by the system. Minus indicates work is done by the system. So now let us find the work done. If we find work done, we will get Q also. Heat supplied, how much heat is supplied, that much of work is done. So we should find the work done. So we know that the formula of work done when pressure and volume are given. When PV are given, we know the formula W equal to minus P external delta V. So this is the formula we should use. So see the question. As I told, vacuum external pressure is equal to 0. Plot this here. 0 delta V, V2 minus V1, 0 into V what, 10 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the work done? Work done is equal to 0. So Q is equal to work done. There is no supply of heat and no work is done by the system. So right here Q is equal to minus W is equal to 0. This is the answer. So next see the 6.3, that is part of 6.2. So see the questions. Consider a same expansion. consider this same expansion, but this time against external pressure of 1 atm. 1 atm, this is here they are given external pressure as 1 atm. There it was vacuum, but in 6.3 external pressure is equal to 1 atm. So we already know that Q is equal to W. In the first we have found this Q is equal to minus W. So here we should find volume is same expansion, so volume V2 equal to 10, V1 equal to 2. When pressure and volume is given, we should find the work done. The formula for that is W kit 2 minus P external delta V. So substitute this here, minus 1 into 10 minus 2, minus 1 into 8 is equal to minus 8. So what is the work done? Minus 8. Minus W equal to 8. This is the, it is minus 8. So send this minus here, minus W, or you can write the formula as minus W equal to P external delta V. You can write this. So work done can't be negative. Then how you will write this negative? So send this side. So Q equal to minus W equal to 8. So what is the work done and heat supplied to the system is in 6.3, that is 8 liter atm. So next see this 6.4. The question is given that consider the same expansion. Consider this same expansion to find a final volume of 10 liter, volume of 10 liter. Final volume, that is V2, 10 liter, conducted reversibly. See this carefully, reversibly. Work done for irreversible processes. The previous questions were irreversible. P external delta V. Now the question has given reversible process. Reversible process formula 2.303 into nRT into log V2 by V1. So this is the formula now we should use. Here V2 is given, consider this, so write this here properly, 2.303 into, it is work done by the system, so the minus indicates that is work done by the system, that's it. And N 1 mole into R, it is given in liter, so take it in liter, that is 0.08205 liter atm mole inverse Kelvin inverse into temperature 298 kelvins into log 10 by 2. Here V1 is 2, here the given is 2. So mole inverse, mole cancel, Kelvin inverse, Kelvin cancel. So remaining 2, 3 into 0.08205 into 298 log 1s are 5s are log 5. Log 5 value, so when we calculate this 202 into 0.08205, 0.188 into 298 into log 5 value is 0.699, okay, into 298 into 0.699. That is 39.36. Here the remaining value is liter ATM. The answer in the textbook is wrong, I think. So they have taken the R value as 0.82. So that the R value they have taken wrong. The answer is wrong in the textbook. So that is 0.08205. This is the R value and this is the answer.